Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, and I'm going to talk to you about how to reduce dust in your shop. There are two basic ways to do it. Hooking your tools and machines up to something as simple as a shop vac or a full system like I have of dust collection. The downside to the shop vac is they don't move a lot of air and they can't handle chip making machines. They're great with dust making machines, but not chip making machines. They will not work with a jointer, they will not work with a planer. But they work great with palm sanders and belt sanders and things like that. So if you have, the more machines you have, the larger your requirements are. For a more elaborate system, you can have a system like I have here. It's actually a two-stage system. I have what's called a cyclone separator, so that all the big pieces come in, they spin around this drum and fall into a collection bucket below. The lighter particles go up and out and into the filtration unit, which allow just the finest of dust to drop into its collection bag. And based on the cloth bag you have on the top, you have very minimal dust escaping back into the atmosphere. What I have is a 2-micron bag on top, which is, in the world of dust collection, that's pretty fine. Some of the older machines or the less expensive machines may come with a 30-micron bag, which is pretty coarse. And you can actually see when you turn on your dust collector, a cloud of dust will come through, and that's because the material is so coarse, it just allows a lot of that really fine dust to get through. So the better the bag you have on your dust collector, whether it's a single unit or a cyclone with a cyclone separator like I have, the better your health is going to be in the long run. If you can imagine through my shop, this machine is actually attached to 90% of my machinery. My stationary machinery is all hooked up to dust collection, whether it be my band saws, my table saw, drum sanders, all of those are tied in to the dust collector, and each one has its own gate. And the reason we put gates on the system is at each point you want to cut off the flow, so you're only drawing from that one machine you're working with, and that way you get maximum effect from your dust collection. Real quickly, that's how to keep the dust out of your lungs and into your dust collection system. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.